Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix your device shows Wi-Fi connected but the internet still does not work. This happen on most Windows PC, Android phone and iPhones. Okay, so let's fix it step by step in all these devices. When you're facing this type of problem, first you need to restart your router. Unplug your router power cable, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back. This clear temporary network error. After doing this guys, connect your device to a Wi-Fi and hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to restart your devices. Okay, if you are using Windows PC or Android or iPhone, same, you need to restart the all devices. Sometime the network adapter gets stuck. After restarting, reconnect your Wi-Fi, it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi. On your Windows PC, click on the Wi-Fi icon, select your Wi-Fi network and right click on it and forget it. Okay, after forgetting, you need to reconnect it once again. Same you can try in your Android phone and iPhone. Okay, this refreshes the IP address. After doing this guys, now check your problem was solved or not. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to reset your network settings. Okay, on your iPhone, if you are using the iPhone, you need to open the iPhone settings, go to journal, go to transfer or reset, and from here you need to select reset network settings. Okay, after this guys, if you are using Android, open your Android phone settings, go to system, reset and select the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. From here you can easily able to reset your network settings. On your Windows PC, open your Windows settings, go to network and internet, scroll down and find out network reset option. From here you can easily able to reset your network settings on your Windows PC. After resetting, once again you need to connect your Wi-Fi network and then check your problem was solved or not. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. So this method is especially was designed for Windows user. On your Windows PC guys, press Windows key button and here you need to type cmd means command prompt and right click on it and run this command in administrator tab. And then here you need to type the same command ipconfig space / flush DNS and then press enter. It will take some time to execute the command. So after the command was successfully executed, this command will clean corrupted DNS cache on your PC. After doing this guys, check your problem was solved or not on your Windows PC. Sometime guys, the problem is not on your device, your ISP may have an outage. Check router internet light, ISP service status, try mobile hotspot, or you can contact to your network provider how the internet was performing. Also you can try some another basic methods on your Windows PC. Open your Windows settings, go to Windows update and check for update. If the update is there, you need to update your PC. Also you need to update your both phone, Android and iPhone, if you are using Wi-Fi on Android phone or in iPhone. So these are the easy and basic method to fix this problem. If this video helped you to fix the problem, like the video and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more real world tech fixes. See you in the next one.